Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of MYOG, Make or Modify Your Own Gear. So, as promised, I have another version of this conversion to the Mora multi-kit to turn it into a very good sheath system. So this is version 2. A subscriber asked me for some solutions. This is the second one. I will put that request up now. Okay, this second version differs from the first one because there's no clip. There's no Fast-Tech buckle in here. Very simple, very straightforward. Very large belt loop. So let's get into it. Things you are going to need for this conversion. You're going to need the kit, either for the Garberg or the Kanzbul. Double-sided one Velcro. 1 inch or 25 millimeter flat webbing. The webbing I'm using is 42 inches long or 106 centimeters. You can use it longer, you can use it shorter. Your choice. Pair of scissors to cut the webbing, cigarette lighter to burn the ends of the webbing so it doesn't fray. So take your Mora, Garberg, or Kanzbul. This is the naked sheath and blade. Take the retention strap from the kit, put it on. The multi-mount. And you're going to need the branded Velcro piece. Just put it in here. Okay. We're going to take our 1 inch or 25 millimeter webbing. That's 106 centimeters or 42 inches long. I just folded it in half. Put it through here. Put it through this first hole. Okay. Pull this down. Determine how big of a belt loop you want. I think right about there. Bring this strap back up through, then down through this hole. Then back up through the middle slot, just like that. Adjust. I'm going to have to pull a little bit more because I want, there we go. Okay. And then bring these two pieces right through here. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust this out a little bit. There we go. I think that'll do. Put your knife blade in. Put your retention strap through here. Okay. Take our Velcro, cut a piece. And we're going to put this on right here. Okay. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy to do. No fast tech buckle required. And that's about the easiest version there can be, version 2. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later out in those woods. Have a good night.